Welcome and welcome back to Recipes from the Hacienda. Today we'll be doing a homemade barbecue sauce. Let's get started. Okay, so what you'll need is 2 cups of ketchup, half a cup of apple cider, 1 lemon squeeze, this right here is 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chipotle chili pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And right here we got half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to use 1 can of roasted tomatoes with garlic, 3 anchovies, believe it or not, a tablespoon of ground mustard, and my secret ingredient, 1 cup of Dr. Pepper. Let's get things going. Alright, so I've already dumped the ketchup in here. We'll just start dumping. Here's our brown sugar, all our seasonings, and I'll list these in the comments so you don't have to worry about freezing the video or anything like that. I'll put it all down in the comments for you. That's all that honey and molasses in there. Alright. Your apple cider vinegar. Actually, we're going to put this in here. We're going to put the tomatoes in here. I just drained it like a little bit. Not that much. You want the liquid because you don't want the anchovies in the blender by themselves, and you don't want these swimming around in your barbecue sauce. So I just grabbed like 3. There we go. And I use that so that way we'd have something to blend it with. We're going to put your tablespoon of ground mustard in there. There we go. Alright. And then we're going to squeeze a whole lemon off in there. You really want to make sure that's blended good. You don't want any chunks of that anchovies in there. The reason we're adding anchovies in there is that the salty flavor. We want that salty flavor. Trust me, I will not steer you wrong. It is going to be delicious. It is necessary. Okay. Alright, so top it off with our Dr. Pepper, and then we're going to just simmer this until it's all cooked down. I'm going to put this on the stove and just simmer it probably for about an hour, hour and a half or so, like on medium low, so between like say 3 and 4 if you have an electric stove. So we will see you back in a minute. Okay, so there it is. It's been 1 hour later. Look how beautiful that is. It's nice and dark. I did forget to tell y'all one ingredient I included in that bowl of seasonings is 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. So there it is. Isn't it gorgeous? Let's just give her a taste. See how it came out. Perfect. Delicious. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.